Hello guys, myself Akshay, and today I will show you that how to set up your own pen testing lab using VM Workstation, or you can say that we are going to simply create a LAN between two virtual machines. So friends, before starting it practically, I want to show you some definitions. So friend, the first question arises that what is VM Workstation? So friends, VM Workstation is a virtual machine software that suits for x86 as well as x64 computers, or you can simply say that supports for both 32 as well as 64-bit computers. It enables user to set up multiple virtual machines or VMs and use them simultaneously along with the actual machine. It can mount an existing ISO image file into a virtual optical disk drive so that the virtual machine sees it as real one. As such, VM Workstation allows one physical machine to run multiple operating systems simultaneously. For example, you can run Windows operating system, Linux as well as BSD all together at one physical machine. Now another thing is understanding network adapter. Basically we have three types of networking options. First one is host only, another one is bridge, and third one is net. Basically we are dealing with net. Network address translation is the full name of NAT, and it is one of the networking option in VM Workstation. NAT provides a simple way for virtual machine to use most client applications over almost any type of network connection available to host. The only requirement is that the network connection must support TCP/IP. NAT works for translating addresses of virtual machine in a private VMnet network to that of the host machine. When a virtual machine sends a request to access a network resource, it appears to the network resource as if the request came from the host machine. The NAT device is connected to the VMnet 8 virtual switch. Virtual machines connected to the NAT network also uses the VMnet 8 virtual switch. I will show you. Open your command prompt of host machine and look for your IP address, and here you see that it my host machine also uses VMnet 8 as virtual switch, and it uses the router address as 192.168.124, and .1 shows that it's IP address. And if you I will show you my virtual machine and look for IP address, and look friends that my virtual machine also shares the same router address 192.168.124.128 shows that it's an IP address. So friends, it means that both our virtual machine as well as our host machines share the same switch VMnet 8. This adapter allows the host and the virtual machines to communicate with each other for such purposes as file sharing. So friends, now I am going to set up pen testing lab using VM Workstation, and the final result is that both our virtual machines are able to ping each other. It's my Windows XP machine, XP SP2, and it's my Backtrack 5R3. So friends, let's begin. Open your virtual machines. Now first go to VM and then go to settings, and here you see that a network adapter option and set it to net. In my case it has already been set, and click OK. Then go to your another virtual machine. In my case it's Windows XP Professional, or you can say Windows XP SP2, and again do the same thing. Go to VM and then go to settings, Again set your network adapter to net. Here also my network adapter already been set to net and click OK. Now the purpose is that both our machines are able to ping each other. So let's try to ping our backtrack machine using XP machine. And look friends that our XP machine is able to ping our backtrack machine, where it shows packet sent equal to 4, received equal to 4, and that's mean lost is 0%. Now look the IP address of our Windows XP machine. Here it shows 124.129. Let's try it to our backtrack machine whether it is able to ping our XP machine or not. And look friends that our backtrack machine is not able to ping our XP machine. And if you look that here it says 9 packets are transmitted where 0 is received, it means 100% is the packet loss. So friends, what's the reason that why our backtrack machine is not able to ping our XP machine? For this I will show you a tool which is Nmap. Nmap is a tool which is used for port scanning, or you can say it is used for information gathering. Nmap. So friends, it takes some time. So friends, it shows that our host is alive and the all thousand scanned ports on this IP address are filtered. So friend, this is the reason that why our backtrack machine is not able to ping our XP machine, because all the ports on Windows XP are filtered. So friend, to resolve this problem you don't need to do anything complex. Just disable the firewall of your Windows XP machine. Or you can disable it by going to control panel and then security setting, and here it says that no firewall is turned on. So now again go to your backtrack machine and again try to ping that, and if you see carefully that this time our backtrack machine is able to ping our Windows XP machine, where it shows that 11 packets are transmitted, 11 are received, and 0% is the packet loss. So friend, that's all what we need to do. Us what we need to create a LAN between two virtual machines. So friends, at last, if you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel, or you can also visit us at www.burstlimit.in, or you can also like us on Facebook. Our the name of our Facebook page is Burst Limit. So guys, bye. Hope to meet again. Thank you.